supporting this. All right. One more thing we can do with Sweet Home Chicago, and this is rhythmic and chords, and we're using the 9th chord form, the one that does not have a root. And, you know, to help ground us, we know that this is an E9, right down here. We know this is an F9. We know this is a G9. We use this one a lot. But there's no G. There's no G note in this thing. So it's like, oh my God. So using that to extrapolate, we want to find an A9. So look what I'm doing. I'm bringing this up so that my index finger is on the 6th fret and my other fingers are on the 7th fret. Hang on, I'm getting a spam call. Let me hang up on this. I know I should get rid of the landline, but it's the only way we find our cell phones when we can't they get lost. So here is our here's our A. Now we're going to take that form and we're going to slide it here. See how confusing this is for me. We're going to slide this up so that our index finger is on, that's I think 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th fret. And our other 3 fingers are on the 12th fret. I think when I do this, I kind of hone in on my other 3 fingers rather than my index finger. Whatever you need to do to find this thing. That's a D9. So here's our A9, D9. Let's just slide back and forth between those two. 2, 3, 4, A, D9, A, D9, and call it out with me. A9, D9, A9, D9. Most of the song is back and forth between these 2 positions. So it's like, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Yeah, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that. Now we gotta hit a G, a C, an E9. So let's look at where we're making that D9. We're going to go up a full step. So the index finger now will be on the 15th fret. The rest of the gang, so what that, the 16th fret? Yeah, it's confusing. I hope I'm not the only one who's confused by this. It's a matter for me of just memorizing the thing and doing it all over and over again. So let's try it again from the top. And just a special note, remember, because this is a movable form, and we're covering all 4 strings, we can use that muting technique with our left hand where I'm pressing in and then I'm easing up on the pressure so I can get that mute sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just for starters, just press in on the downbeat, lighten your load, and just like chicken pick on the other 3 beats. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place. Whoa, we're right up here. Oh, I have a tenor, and I am right here where the body of the ukulele meets the fretboard. That's sort of trainer wheels for me. That's where I know that E9 is. And then back to the D9 and then the A. All right, let's do it together.
Callie, real quick.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me where your index finger, what fret you're on for the E9?
Yeah. I am on the 13th fret. That index finger's on the 13th fret. This is one reason why I'm actually using my middle ring and my baby finger as a guide. It's really confusing to me, and I think once we get it down, it's going to be a little bit easier because there's no root in the chord, and that's crazy making for me. So this is a struggle, but I think it's
Allie,
worth it. Yeah.
where are you on the A9? What fret?
Okay. My index finger on the A9 is on the sixth fret. And then
Got it.
the other fingers are on the seventh fret.
And,
Got
All
it.
right,
and
let's
then the
try.
next one, and the next one is,
You know what? I am going to go by my this form, the D looking form.
okay,
That is on the seventh fret, 12th fret, 14th fret.
okay.
That is working a little better for me. Maybe it will for you. Let's try. You know, you all are going to be on this video because we're recording. So da da. All right, darlings. Let's try it together. Let me make sure that we're all muted. All right. And let me just spotlight myself. Okay, practice time. Let me count us down and find your A9. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Baby, don't you wanna go? Come on. Baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, the sweet home Chicago? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm sliding, come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, sweet home Chicago? And I'm gonna go down to this G9, back up, and come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Slide, come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, a sweet home Chicago?